Hello, my name is Jonathan Jade Patton. I like to go by Jade, and today I would like to talk about how to prepare a tincture. So, just a little going back. So, we talked about this in Module 4 and the preparation of a tincture. For those of you who are not students at American College of Healthcare Sciences, I'm going to talk about the preparation of a tincture. Okay, so for tinctures, you can use apple cider vinegar, you can use vodka, alcohol, glycerin, or water. But with each different solvent that you're going to use, and basically a solvent means that it's going to take those active constituents out of that herb that you're trying to use. So, um, I like to use vodka. Vodka is 45%. A lot of people would rather use something like Everclear, which is like over 100% alcohol. I didn't even know over 100% alcohol existed, but so be it Everclear, if I'm correct. But whenever you're using this, use your common sense. Water is going to go real quick, like 48 hours, 72 hours most. Apple cider vinegar can last about 3 months in the refrigerator. Glycerin can pretty much last for up to a year. Some people like to say a half year, but it can last up to a year with proper care, putting it in a brown bottle, using droppers, and being very sanitary. It can last up to a year. But I prefer using alcohol to make my tinctures. So, and there's a lot of scientific debate about, oh, I should use that much alcohol or this much alcohol, but for my experiment, I did 45% alcohol. So with the preparation of a tincture, you're always going to use 1 ounce of the herb to 1 pint of the liquid or solvent. Okay. Now, also try to find a dark jar. Okay, a dark jar is going to protect it from the sun, but still keep it preserved. And put it in a warm place and make sure it's not in the sun. Um, and you're going to do this for about 2 weeks. I like to stretch this out a little bit because sometimes some herbs take a little bit longer. Some are really quick. I made a tincture of cayenne pepper and it was insanely hellishly spicy for about as one drop was. So it was crazy. So basically put it in that warm spot for 2 weeks at the least, 2 to 3 times a day. Make sure to shake the glass. Okay. This can be also called succession. And basically, you're tapping it for a number of times, and that's it. Um, as soon as you're finished, 1 teaspoon of this tincture is equal to 1 cup if you made an infusion out of the same herb. Um, you can use it. Usually the dosage is 20 to 40 drops. Make sure you put it into tincture bottles, and these are all prepared from the mother tincture. And you can use 20 to 40 drops. And 2 to 3 times a day, what I tell my clients is, or what I would tell a potential client is, just get a half-a-liter bottle, do 20 drops, another half-liter bottle at lunchtime, do 20 drops, and then another half-liter water bottle, another 20 drops at dinner time. And that's the very lowest dosage. So you kind of know where you're at and your body's reactions to it. So you can build up. So if you know, hey, this isn't enough, I can always go more. So also, there are a couple of chemicals in homeopathy that you can't extract without alcohol, with alcohol or with any kind of liquid solvent. For example, calcium carb, or calcarb. There's also magphos or magnesium phosphochoria. Now, those are usually ground with lactose or milk sugar. to create the remedy. Again, my name was Jonathan Jade Patton. This was for NAT 204, Energetic Modalities 2, Homeopathy. Thank you, and I'm signing off. Bye-bye.